So you saw me in the last shot working on this cross member and welding the top section in. It's all welded in. Drilled a new hole to line up with the existing crush tube, and I've just temporarily put the stud in upside down because the stud screwed in the old cross member. But this one on the B series, that's normally welded on the top side up from this way. So I'm going to do that, but it's just not easy to get to. As you can see on this side, the battery bracket's in the way. This side shouldn't be a problem, but I just wanted to mock it up so you can see what it looks like. It's all in there. What I've got left to do, I need to drill that hole, and a crush tube will go in there. And I also need to do that obviously on both sides. And then there's a plate that goes in this void here to stop that squishing down when you do these bolts up. So we'll have to re-put in that plate after remaking this top section all flat, but it's in there. I'm just going to try putting the control arm in, which goes in either one of these. Make sure that it all lines up okay before I drill the hole. But as you can see, well, maybe we can turn the light on and get it to focus. It's all up flat there. And then this side, it's all flat as well. Perfection.